Hi, c'est Soso Kitchen. Jeudi là, nous allons faire piment vert avec viande moulue en dedans. Ok, nous besoin d'oignons, nous besoin du riz, nous besoin tomate sauce, nous besoin sel, nous besoin poivre, nous besoin petit piment. Ok, nous allons commencer à couler là. Ok. Premièrement, nous besoin pour piment camper droite. Ok? Ça m'a fait ça à camper droite. Ça m'a fait m'a couper tête là comme ça. Comme ça. Nous pas besoin de si nous couper le mal. Parce que nous pas retirer en dedans. Ça nous besoin pour nous faire face là. Nous sommes capables de faire à piment nous voulons. Nous voulons rouge, nous faisons avec rouge. Nous voulons et jaune, nous faisons. Ok, les campés.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are making stuffed bell peppers. So she likes to use bell peppers that stand upright, and then she takes off the top, and then she cleans out the middle, and the part of the top that she takes out, she actually then uses like that part of the bell pepper to make her ground meat mixture. She's gonna use ground beef, but if you want to use another type of ground meat, feel free to and make it your own.
We don't lose nothing.
What are you doing with that?
La mettre dans viande là.
Got it.
Nous pas perdre rien couler là.
So this is a top piece that she was cut off before. She just cuts it into little pieces, and that's what she's gonna put into the ground meat mixture along with the onion. So we're using lean meat. This is 95% lean, so it's not really gonna produce a lot of water. But if you're not really using lean meat, you might want to cook the meat first and then add in like the onions and bell peppers.
Voilà, ça c'est piment. Et on va le mettre dans l'eau bouillie pour 5 minutes à 6 minutes. 7 minutes tout, on met un petit sel là-dedans.
You wash it.
You wash it.
So she washed the bell peppers, and after she washes it, she puts it in hot boiling water for about 5 to 6 minutes. And she sprinkles some salt in the water that is boiling.
Avec un petit sel, pas un peu de sel parce que du riz a gagné épicerie. On va le mettre en peu.
The rice that she is gonna cook today is like box rice, and it has like its own seasoning. So she's not gonna put too much seasoning because that rice is gonna have its own seasoning.
mettre du riz ça. Si nous voulons l'autre du riz, nous devons mettre lui sur moins ça. OK? Ça c'est épice, je mets ça en dedans. Les chicken pot. On met un Parsely. Couvrir pour 5 minutes. So, moi pour mettre petit sel en dedans ça, pas un pile sel. OK. Okay, Minnie.
The oven's at 350.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Koulye la m'bral fil yo. Ooh, bon. Smell good. Wow.
She added tomato sauce to the bottom of the pan, and this just helps it not stick to the bottom of the pan. And then she's just gonna put some tomato sauce on top. You can also add cheese if you want, but she's not because she is lactose intolerant. But feel free to make this your own. Why you put tomato sauce at the bottom?
Pour pas coller. Hier le temps. Okay.
So we ended up cooking this for about 50 minutes. We started with 30 minutes, but then realized we needed more time.
And set for 30 minutes.
We're gonna add 20 more minutes. There's 2 minutes left, but it basically smells done. Ooh, you guys cannot even see that. So you can definitely sprinkle cheese on top of this.
If you need cheese, you can put cheese on the top.